Good morning student, myself Melissa Akla, and in today's session we again solve the example of SI and KI, and in our topic fundamental we continue with find out SI and KI of frame, and a new one is our grid. Okay, now first example of this SI and KI for frame. Here one frame is given. First of all we write down SI of frame. Okay, so make here heading SI of frame. Okay, now what is the equation of SI of frame? That is equal to ds is equal to dse plus dsi. Okay, and dse, that means our external indeterminacy, is equal to capital R minus small r, and dsi is equal to 3c. Now one by one we find out our unknown values here. First we write down capital R, second small r, and c, then number of member, and j for joint. Okay, now one by one. Here fixed support is given 1, 2 and 3. Hinge support is given 1, 2. Hinge support is given 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means our capital R is equal to 7. Small r is equal to 3. Static equilibrium condition sigma h, sigma v and sigma m. C is equal to number of area enclosed by member of frame. Look at this. Here first area, here second area, third area and fourth area. That means this frame is enclosed 4 number of area. C is equal to 4. Now M for member. M is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, this frame is subjected to 15 number of member. Now J for joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, in this frame 12 joint are given. Now one by one put the values in equation. Capital R is equal to 7, small r is equal to 3, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, and here dsi 3c 3. Cell area is given 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, right here 12. Now ds is equal to summation of dac plus dsi. dac is given 4 and dsi is equal to 12. Okay, 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. Our answer is positive. Now what is the statement of this frame for SI? Given frame is stable and indeterminate to stable and indeterminate to 16th degree. Okay, stable and indeterminate to 16th degree. SI of frame is complete. Okay, now we find out KI of frame. Right here KI of frame. Okay, now what is the equation of KI of frame? KI of frame is equal to dk is equal to 3j minus r. Now we already find out the values, so simply put in equation. J for joint is equal to 12. Right here 12, and number of support reaction is given 7. Okay, now 12 3s are 36. 36 minus 7. Okay, 16 minus 7 is equal to, write down here, 9. Okay, second 29. Okay, here our answer dk is equal to 29. This answer is right or wrong, we verify, then we find out dk and ad. What is the equation of dk and ad? dk and ad is equal to dk minus m. Okay, now first of all we find out 29 answer is right or wrong. Okay, this joint is allowing for 3 degree of freedom, 1, 2 and 3. Number of joint are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 9 3s are 20, 9 3s are 27. Okay, and here fixed support is given. Fixed support is allowing for 0 degree of freedom. Hinge support is allowing for moment and moment, that means 27, 1 and 2, 29. Clear? 29 answer is right. Now we find out dk and AD. dk and AD is equal to our dk is equal to 29 and number of member is given 15. So right here 15. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 and 2 minus 1 is equal to 4. That means this answer is DKNAD for given frame is equal to 14. Okay, here I write down directly only one displacement of joint is mentioned. Again I am repeating you, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 3 are 27 and this hinge and hinge allowing for 2 moment. Okay, so 27 displacement of joint and this is 2 for our hinge support, and total number of displacement dk is equal to dk or dk is equal to 29. Okay, now we solve another example of frame. Okay, now in this frame internal hinge is given. Okay, this is again another type of frame. First of all write down k SI of frame right here, SI of frame. Okay, now here DSE is equal to capital R minus small r, and what is the equation of DSI? Because internal hinge is given, if you remember, 3C minus RR. Okay, 3C minus RR. Now first of all mention the values, unknown values, capital R, small r, cell area, then RR, then number of member, number of joint. Okay, so many unknown values here we find out, and our equation is equal to ds is equal to DAC plus DSI. Now one by one we find out the values. First of all, fixed support is given 1 2 3. Here hinge support is given 1 2. Roller support is given 1. Look at this, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. My capital R is equal to 6 and small r is equal to 3. Cell area, number of area enclosed by member of frame. Here first area is enclosed by and here second. So C is equal to 2. Now RR is equal to number of member connected to hinge joint minus 1. Here one internal hinge is given and 2 member connected, 1 and 2. So right here number of member connected to internal hinge 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now M for member, count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In this given frame 10 number of member given. Now J, and also we find out J dash. J dash is equal to 1 internal hinge is given, so write down 1, and J is equal to number of joint 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and this J dash we already count here. Okay, now we put the values in equation and find out our answer. Capital R we find out 6 and small r is equal to 3. Okay, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3 and cell area we find out 2. Okay, right here, and minus RR, that means 1. 3 2s are 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Now DAC we find out 3, DSI we find out 5. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Answer is positive. Now what is the statement of this frame? Stable. Given frame is stable and indeterminate to given frame is stable and indeterminate to 8th degree. What? 8th degree. Okay. Now next we find out Ki of frame. Here internal hinge is given, so our equation is changed. Ki of frame. Okay, right here dk is equal to 3j plus j dash minus r plus rr. Okay, now one by one put the values here. 3, j is equal to, we find out j is equal to 8, right here 8, plus j dash we find out 1. Okay, minus r we find out 6 and rr is equal to 1. Now 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9 3s are 27 minus 6 plus 1. Okay, now 27 plus 1 is equal to 28 minus 6 is equal to 22. Now my 22 answer is right or wrong. First of all we verify it. Okay, one by one. Here fix, that means 0. Hinge, it is allowing for moment. Okay, roller allowing for axial and moment. Okay, this is our degree of freedom. And this joint is allowing from 1, 2 and 3, and number of joint are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this internal hinge is allowing for 1 and 2 moment, axial deformation and vertical. Okay, so now count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 1, 20, and 21 plus this 2, 22. My answer is right. Okay, now we find out dkNAD. dkNAD is equal to dk minus m. dk we find out 22 and m is given 10. Okay, so answer is equal to 12. Okay, this is my final answer. dkNAD for this given frame is equal to 12. Clear? Now we solve example of grid. This is our last example of SI and KI. Okay, then we start with our new topic, that is analysis of frame, SI and KI of grid. Okay, now make a heading SI of grid. Okay, notation is equal to ds, and ds is equal to, in grid we directly find out SI 3m plus r minus 3j. Okay, now first of all write down what is number of member, support reaction and joint. R is equal to fix. 4 3s are 12. Okay, fix has a 3 support reaction and 4 fixed support is given. 4 3s are 12. J for joint, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So write here 8. M for member, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 number of member is given. Now put the values. 3, m is given 8 and capital R 12, and here 3 into j is given 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and joint 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Perfect. Now 8 3s are 24 plus 12 and 8 3s are 24. That means here 24 cancel, and my answer ds is equal to 12. What is the statement for this grid? Given grid is stable and indeterminate to stable and indeterminate, stable and indeterminate to 12th degree. Okay, now we find out ki of grid. Right here ki of grid. Okay, equation of this ki, dk is equal to 3j minus r. 3j is given 8 and minus r is equal to 12. Now 8 3s are 24 minus 12 is equal to 12. Okay, and in grid dk is equal to dkNAD. Why? Because in grid no axial force, so dk is equal to dkNAD, and this 12 answer is right or wrong. Verify here. Fix. That means it is allowing for 0 degree of freedom, and this joint is allowing for 2 moment. First is bending moment, second is twisting moment, and 1 vertical support reaction. 1 2 3 and 4 number of joint are given, so 4 3s are 12. That means our 12 answer is right. Okay, now here we stop. Okay, we complete SI and KI of beam, frame, truss and grid. Now in next session we start with our analysis of frame, and in analysis of frame we start first of all support reaction, and then we draw the SF, BM and axial force diagram. Simply you again you revise support reaction, how to find out support reaction. Okay, just now we stop here.